Every morning is a new beginning, a new blessing, and a new hope. Although the time seems to fly like a falcon, but it never travels faster than one day at a time. Something special awaits you each day. This was my last morning in Meghalaya, last few hours ahead of me.
So last day in Meghalaya, didn't get much time to explore the town, like Shillong town. So we have I think 3-4 hours to shoot the place. So let's see what we can explore.
We woke up with a fulfilling smile, with a vow to live fully in each of these last moments in Meghalaya. We had only few hours to explore Shillong, so we finalized on a couple of places in the vicinity, starting from Shillong Golf Club, one of the oldest and the most scenic golf course in the country.
First location for today, this is actually the golf course, which is almost 2 to 3 kilometers away from Police Bazaar. It's a very nice place, it's very empty, and look at the view, man, look at the view.
It wasn't that late in the day, but after almost a week of cloudy weather, sun was in its full glory, as if it was also bidding us a goodbye. Given the paucity of time we had, we started running towards our next destination, capturing the scenic views around. In no time, we reached Ward's Lake, one of the most popular attractions of Shillong.
So second location for today, it's called Ward's Lake, and it's almost just half a kilometer away from Police Bazaar. People come here to do boating, and this place is so beautiful, it's so peaceful to be here. So yeah, you can just come here and chill for some time. We'll probably fly some drone over here from the bridge if we are allowed, and I'll show you some kick-ass shots.
I have only one word to describe the place: beautiful. This man-made creation amidst the lush green hills of the city was a true marvel. Soaking in the blissful feeling of the place and grabbing a quick bite on the roadside. We started for our next stop for the day, Cathedral Catholic Church.
So this is the third destination for today. This is Cathedral of Mary Church, which is located in this place called as Laitumkhra. The place is almost 2 to 3 kilometers away from Police Bazaar, and it looks pretty good. The weather is pretty nice right now. We'll stay over here for some time, and probably we'll get some aerial footage, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna look dope. Also, I have my return flight today, so probably this is gonna be the last destination for today, because I have my flight back at 4:30, so we need to reach Guwahati on time. I just hope I don't miss my flight.
We were charmed by the beauty and serenity of the shrine, located in the outskirts of the city. This was my last stop in Meghalaya, but before leaving for Guwahati, we didn't miss out on the opportunity to capture some stunning views around. And with this, my Meghalaya expedition comes to an end. It was an overwhelming experience. The magnificence of the simplicity of root bridges, the sweet melody of gushing waterfalls, breathtaking views of the horizon from Lightroom, the surreal boat ride in the Dauki River, the feeling of getting lost in the clouds, and the warmth of the local people here is something I'm going to cherish for the rest of my life. Meghalaya was more than a journey for me. It was a hope of finding new perspective in life, a chase of finding happiness in the innocence of usual things, a quest of crossing boundaries and inhibitions, and a symphony of nature. I might not have gone to the places I intended to go, but I think I have ended up my journey where I intended it to be. I hope my journey is an inspiration to a lot of you, and you would carve out your own path, leaving a trail behind. Adios till we meet on my next destination of never-ending voyage. Until then, keep sharing my experience with your loved ones to make them a part of our beautiful journey together.
भैया अच्छा लगा यार आपके साथ।
मेरा भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। अच्छा इसमें
मजा आ गया।
ऐसा
तीन दोस्तों वाली कहानी हो गई तो
सीरियसली
बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं मतलब बहुत खुश हूँ। मेरा जो खाने का मन है वो मिल गया, जो चीज़ है वो मिल गया। एंजॉय किया है आप लोग का साथ। मैं आप लोग का साथ एक टूर लेके आया, ऐसा नहीं सोचते हैं। मैं आप लोग का मतलब फ्रेंड
मेंबर।
हाँ भैया सीरियसली लाइक इट वाज मोर ऑफ लाइक 3 फ्रेंड्स ऑन अ ट्रिप।
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
मजा आ गया।